Do you guys have microwaves? Probably. I think most people have microwaves. But I was thinking earlier today, of course, as I was microwaving something, about just how amazing microwaves are. I mean, microwaves have completely revolutionized cooking for the lazy person. Think about it. 100 years ago, you wanted a warm meal. You either went out somewhere or you heated something up in a stove, heated something up in an oven, heated something over a fire. But now you want something warm, go to the freezer, pick out anything you want, any meal you want, pop it in. 3 minutes later, you're eating good. Um, I would say microwave food is not the best, but when it comes to convenience, just how convenient it really is a game changer. It really is a major improvement in the average person's quality of life. I think completely revolutionizes the kitchen, and I think it's probably one of, if not the most important appliance that's in the modern kitchen. Of course, everything's in my opinion. This is my show. But I just want you to think about how truly often you microwave stuff. I mean, for most people, it's every day, multiple times a day. You don't really use your stove that often. You don't really use your oven that often. But a microwave is something that you use constantly. And I think that's amazing. For those of you listeners at home who don't know, the microwave was actually discovered by complete accident. Basically, some scientist in the 40s or 50s or whenever it was studying microwave rays, the actual science behind the microwave. I think they were trying to turn it into some death ray or something for the military. I don't remember the story entirely, and I can't be bothered to look it up, but I think it was some military application. And he noticed that it didn't have a good property for killing people, but when he had it on and he was standing next to it, it melted some chocolate that was in his pocket. So by complete accident, we now have the goat of the kitchen. I think accidents are the best ways to forge progress for society. I want you to think about accidents that you've made, mistakes you've had. How can you spin that into a kitchen appliance? Think about all the regrets in your life. Take a minute, think deep. How can that benefit the kitchen? How can that benefit laundry? How can that benefit the bathroom? Can it benefit yard care? Or maybe some other field related to the home? The important thing is to not focus on your mistakes or your accidents, but focus on how you can use those mistakes and use those accidents and turn them into multi-trillion-dollar industries. I think that's important to think about. Maybe you're not doing well in school right now. Maybe school isn't for you. What ideas for kitchen appliances do you have that you can use to make your money rather than pursuing a degree in something you don't want to do? Maybe you recently got laid off from your job. Maybe it was just cutbacks, or maybe you did something wrong, you got fired. Think about what the next kitchen appliance would be and then make it. Turn the worst part of your life into a household good. I want you to do that. I want that to be your homework for tonight. While you're sitting there thinking, just brainstorm ideas of things that you think could make the average American household better. And I think that's what makes microwaves so beautiful. Everyone has the experience of microwaving metal in the microwave, but we have all lived to tell the tale. And that is what's so great about microwaving metal. It's not going to kill you if you stop it in time. I don't know if you just left it running. But always remember that mistakes are not the end. Just because you left a fork on your plate does not mean you're going to die in a fiery death. You catch your mistake. And most importantly, you never repeat it. You see, microwaves are the culmination of 250 years of American culture. They're quick, cheap, convenient. The food's okay. It's not good. You wouldn't pay for it at a restaurant, but it's good enough to eat after you get off a 12-hour shift. It sums up America and American culture perfectly. Good enough. Good enough. Doesn't cook it perfectly, but it's good enough. The microwave meal, it's okay, it's okay. It's good enough. Be good enough. Be good enough. I know you can do it. Think about my words, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.